One mistake, one miscalculation, that's all it takes. Every powered industrial truck, every forklift is a precision tool, or a disaster waiting to happen. The difference? Training. Welcome to the Powered Industrial Trucks Parts 1 through 7 online training, brought to you by OSHA Outreach Courses. This 1 hour and 23-minute course is more than just compliance, it's your roadmap to safe, smart, and skilled forklift operations. In this course, we break down every key aspect of forklift operation across 7 power-packed modules. You'll learn what class of truck is best for your job, how to inspect and operate your equipment safely, where fuel-related mistakes become deadly, why good picking habits protect people and product, how to master maneuvering at loading docks, what small habits prevent massive incidents, and when to stop before something breaks, burns, or tips. Forklifts aren't forgiving. A worn tire, missed brake check, or overloaded pallet can end in tragedy. This course teaches you how to check, detect, and protect before you even turn the key. You'll get hands-on guidance for fueling and battery charging safety, from preventing static sparks to handling acid spills, because what powers your truck can also take you out fast. Picking up, traveling with, and placing loads sounds easy until you're doing it with 6,000 pounds overhead. This training makes sure every lift is safe, every placement is precise, and every move is controlled. Forklifts don't drive alone. They share space with people, pallets, ramps, and risk. Learn how to manage blind spots, slippery floors, and trailer gaps so your route doesn't end in regret. The best part, this entire course is online. You can complete it in just over an hour from anywhere, anytime. No classrooms, no paperwork, just pure practical knowledge you can apply immediately. Once finished, you'll receive your OSHA Outreach Certificate, proof that you're not just licensed, but qualified, that you're not just experienced, but trained, that you're ready to lead, not follow. Don't wait until a near miss becomes a headline. Click the link in the description and enroll now in Powered Industrial Trucks, Parts 1 to 7 at OSHA Outreach Courses.
Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to OSHA Outreach Courses.